Hello everyone, I am Sharon Gautam from Institute of Sciences Forensic Science, Sage University, Indore student. Today I am going to talk about fingerprint. Topic will be covered in this presentation is introduction of fingerprint, history, type of fingerprint and pattern of fingerprint. Firstly, we will talk about the introduction of fingerprint. What is fingerprint? Fingerprint are the impression of friction ridges that are present on the distal phalanges of the finger and thumb. The palmar surface of hand and the plantar surface of the feet are covered by a corrugated skin to ensure a firmer rib and to resist slippage. The elevated surface are known as a friction ridges, while the valley formed between two ridges are known as furrows and groove. The reproduction of a pattern of the friction ridges on the distal phalanges of the finger and thumb are called as fingerprint. The friction ridges are dotted with pore opening meant of discharging perspiration. The friction ridges is raised portion of the epidermis on the digit, the palm of the hand and sole of the foot, and the consisting of one or more connected ridges unit of friction ridge skin. Fingerprints are easily deposited on the suitable surface like glass, metal by natural secretion of the sweat by endocrine gland present in epidermis ridges. These are sometimes referred to the chance print. The recovery of fingerprint for a crime scene is an important method of forensic science. So the next topic is history. The history of fingerprint and its origin in Asia. Old documents show that during Hammurabi's ridges is ancient Babylon finger seal were used in contact. There is one more proof of Chinese using fingerprint as seal and document of contact. The first profounder the theory that the arrangement of friction ridges is never duplicated into individual was ICA Mayor of Germany in 1788. In 1823, Professor J.E. Purkinje published in While the described friction ridges pattern and classified the fingerprint into a categories. In 1958, Sir William Herschel, British administrative in Bengal, started the practice to recording handprint of native on the contract. The modern fingerprint sign came to life. In 1874, Dr. Henry Ford, working at Tsukuji Hospital in Tokyo, observed the design of human finger impression may lead to scientific identification in criminal. In 1992, in 1892, Sir Francis Galton, an English scientist at the cousin of Darwin, wrote the first textbook, Fingerprint, in which he scientifically established that no two fingerprints are alike and describe a system for classification of fingerprint. In 1897, Sir Edward Henry, while working in India as an Inspector General of Police in Bengal, developed interest in work of Herschel and Galton and gave a more workable system of classification which was first adopted in India. Significant contribution made by up of two Bengal police officer Khan Bahadur Azizul Haq and Rai Bahadur Hemchandra Bose. 10-digit classification. The print where we can see in crime scene are also known as chance print. These print are also known as single-digit classification. In the classification system, which came to be known as Henry classification system and also known as HHB classification system. Now our next topic is type of fingerprint. Basically there are three type of fingerprint: latent fingerprint, patent fingerprint and plastic fingerprint. Let's we talk about the latent fingerprint. Latent fingerprint are such impressions that are now readily visible to naked eyes. They are hidden and concealed impression left on the various objects by the perpetrator or a criminal. The papillary ridges of a friction skin on hand and feet are studied with numerous sweat pores. The function of ridges is to secrete the sweat, oil, matter and other secretion in order to keep the skin of hand smooth and soft. Whenever finger or palmar surface come in contact with the polished surface, they leave as an invisible image on the surface of contact due to the perspiration. The invisible image of finger of palm is known as a latent print. Next is the patent print. Patent print are also known as visible print that occur when it foreign substance come in contact to skin on our finger with the smooth surface of the another object. The print are visible in naked eyes without any technical instrument. Next, the plastic print. Plastic print are also known as 3D print. These prints are seen on the soft material like clay, paint, soap and mud, and it easily absorbed in naked eyes. Our next topic is pattern of fingerprint. Fingerprint pattern are determined by the arrangement of the ridges present on the distal phalanges of the finger. There are some basic patterns types which are as follows. First is arch. This pattern are recorded of approximately 5% of total. In this pattern, the ridges run from one side of the print to the arch-like pattern. First is plain arch and second one is tented arch. The plain arch is the simplest or all fingerprint plain arch is formed by entering the pattern toward right with the small rise is the center resembling a hill or A. And the tentage arch, this pattern in which the most enter the pattern of the left side flow extend to flow to the right side with one and more ridges to a center or standing almost straight up. Next is a loop. This pattern are recorded of approximately 60 to 65% of the total. In this pattern, a loop is formed by one or more ridges entering a one side of pattern, continuing one side of pattern to form a loop. First is a radial loop and second one is a ulnar loop. Radial loop is formed by ridges will enter from the one side and the flow back after recovering around the core to the same side with the opening or pointed toward radial lobe of thumb, and the ulnar lobe is formed by ridges while enter from one side and flow back after recovering from the core to pointed toward the little finger. Next is the whorl. Whorl are recorded approximately 30 to 35% of whorl has two deltas and at least one ridge making a complete circuit while a circular, elliptical or spiral. Next is composite. Composite is combination of any of the above mentioned class. This constitute around 1 to 2% of total collection. This pattern in the feature of both whorl and loop. Central pocket loop. This pattern combines feature of both loop and whorl. Next is the twin loop. This basically double loop pattern formed by a two loop either overlapping or surrounding each other and in which the ridges surrounding the core terminate on opposite side of delta. And third one is the twin loop. This is also a double loop pattern. The pattern is formed by a two loop either overlapping or surrounding each other and having the termination of ridge representing the core of each loop separate by one to another. And last one is the accidental. The pattern which are too irregular to be placed in any of the above category are called as accidental pattern. These patterns are formed by combination of two different patterns. The pattern must contain at least two deltas, may have as many as a 4. This slide show a different type of fingerprint pattern, how the ridges flow and make a form a unique pattern. Thank you for watching the video.